So, you want to turn your Ethereum NFT into cold, hard ETH, and you want to do it fast. Let's dive into the express lane of NFT selling, focusing on strategies to get your digital asset off your hands and into someone else's wallet. Quickly first, competitive pricing is key. Analyze the floor price of similar NFTs on platforms like OpenSea or LooksRare, and undercut it slightly to attract immediate attention. Don't be greedy. A quick sale often means accepting a bit less profit, but it guarantees liquidity next. Optimize your NFT listing. Ensure you have a clear, concise, and compelling description highlighting its unique features and rarity. Treat it like a mini sales pitch. High-quality visuals are non-negotiable. If the original image is blurry, find a way to enhance it, or even recreate it if necessary. A visually appealing NFT is more likely to catch a bear's eye scrolling through the marketplace. Now, amplify your reach. Share your listing on social media platforms like Twitter, Discord, and Instagram, using relevant hashtags like #NFT, #ETHEREUMNFT, and #NFT community. Engage with potential buyers and answer any questions promptly. Consider using the promote or boost features available on some NFT marketplaces or social media platforms for wider visibility. Sometimes a small investment can yield a quick return. Finally, be responsive. Monitor your listing and be ready to negotiate or accept offers quickly. A fast response time can be the difference between a sale and a missed opportunity. Following these steps will significantly increase your chances of a quick and successful Ethereum NFT sale. Good luck.